If you're considering buying SupportPal for your help desk needs, there are some crucial things you need to know before making that decision. SupportPal offers some great features, but it's important to understand how it stacks up against competitors and if it's really the best fit for your business. First off, SupportPal is designed to streamline customer support by integrating a ticketing system, knowledge base, and live chat into a single platform. But compared to other help desk solutions like Zendesk and Freshdesk, it's not as widely known, which can sometimes mean a smaller user community and fewer third-party integrations. Next thing, SupportPal has a clean, user-friendly interface that's easy to navigate, even for beginners. While competitors like Zendesk may offer more customizable and complex dashboards, SupportPal's simplicity can be an advantage for small to medium-sized businesses looking to get up and running quickly without the steep learning curve. The third thing to note is that SupportPal is self-hosted, which means you'll need your own server to run it. This is a major difference from cloud-based solutions like Freshdesk, which handle hosting for you. While self-hosting gives you full control over your data and security, it can also come with additional costs for server maintenance and hosting. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. SupportPal offers a one-time purchase option, which could be appealing if you don't want to deal with recurring subscription fees. However, keep in mind that this might not always be the most cost-effective solution for growing businesses. Competitors like Zendesk and Freshdesk offer tiered pricing with more flexibility, so you might end up paying more upfront with SupportPal depending on the scale of your needs. The fifth thing is that SupportPal integrates well with popular tools like Slack, Google Analytics, and email systems, but its overall integration ecosystem is more limited compared to giants like Zendesk, which connects with over 500 apps. If you rely on a lot of third-party software, you may find SupportPal a bit restricting in this area. The sixth thing is that its ticket management features are solid, but not as feature-rich as other options. For example, SupportPal offers basic ticket assignment and prioritization, but lacks advanced automation and AI-powered workflows that Zendesk offers out of the box. If you're looking for a more hands-off, automated support solution, you may want to explore other options. The seventh thing is reporting. While SupportPal does provide essential reports on ticket statuses and agent performance, it's not as advanced as Zendesk or Freshdesk in this area. If detailed insights into your support operations are a priority, you might find SupportPal's reporting capabilities somewhat limited. Next thing, SupportPal does offer a knowledge base, which is a great self-service tool for customers. But when compared to competitors, its knowledge base features are a bit basic. You'll get the basics like article creation and categorization, but competitors offer more advanced customization and analytics for better user engagement. The ninth thing is customer support. SupportPal's customer service is generally considered good, but it might not have the same level of round-the-clock availability that companies like Zendesk provide. If you're looking for 24/7 support with instant responses, you might want to consider an alternative. The 10th thing to be aware of is its scalability. SupportPal is better suited for small to medium-sized businesses. If your business is growing rapidly or you're anticipating significant scaling, you may find SupportPal lacking in the advanced features and flexibility that larger help desk solutions like Freshdesk or Zendesk can offer. The 11th thing to consider is that SupportPal doesn't offer a free trial, so you'll have to commit to the one-time fee up front. While this might be appealing for some, it also means you won't get to test out the software thoroughly before committing. Competitors like Freshdesk and Zendesk offer free trials, so you can get a feel for the software before making a final decision. The last thing to know is that SupportPal's user community is smaller compared to larger competitors, meaning fewer resources, tutorials, and support from other users. While it's still a strong product, you may find fewer solutions to specific problems you encounter. SupportPal is a good help desk solution, especially if you're looking for a straightforward, self-hosted option at a one-time price. However, if you're after a more robust, cloud-based solution with greater scalability and integrations, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.